Your company is looking into Microsoft Teams phone system, but your company also pays for company-issued mobile phones for some of your users. Well, you're thinking, should our company be paying for both Teams phone system and company-owned mobile phones for those users? My name is Mike Smith. I'm the president of AeroCom. Let's put our heads together on this. Hey, if you'd like my recommendation on the best Microsoft Teams phone system operator connect providers or dial tone providers that your company should be quoting, and your company is over 50 employees or so, reach out and contact me. Send me an email, give me a call. I will help you make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. More information on that at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. I put out videos every single week. Don't miss any of them by subscribing. All right, so if your company has company issued cell phones and you're going for Teams phone system, you're looking at a Teams phone system, yes, you can merge those two worlds together so that your company does not have to pay for both Teams phone system and your mobile phone service provider, a calling plan for those users. Well, how does that happen? Well, number one, you have to use an operator connect provider to provide you dial tone for Teams phone system. That's number one. And these operator connect vendors who offer this typically only offer it to medium-sized companies or larger, meaning like 100 phone users or more is typically their target market. So unfortunately, if you're a small business, this is a hard product to get. If you're a medium or large size business, it's a very simple product to get through an operator connect provider who offers this service. And what they do essentially, how it works, is they deploy an eSIM card on your company's mobile phones. And if you're not familiar with what an eSIM card is, take a look at it, but it's essentially software that is a SIM card on your phone system instead of a hardware-based SIM card. And that eSIM, when they download it to a mobile phone, it adds another phone line onto that mobile phone, or it could be the sole phone line on that mobile phone. And yes, that phone line becomes your Teams phone number. So that user has the same phone number for Teams phone if they're working off a soft phone or their mobile app, or just their mobile phone, period. So their mobile phone number is their Teams phone number. And it's the same phone number that people call that rings on their Teams application on their desktop. I know one question that's really common that a lot of customers ask is, hey, we have a lot of company issued cell phones out there today. We have hundreds of cell phones out there. We have users who have their own cell phone number on those company issued cell phones, and they don't want to change their phone number. They want to use those phone numbers. Well, good news, a lot of operator connect providers who offer this service can port their existing cell phone numbers and move that over to a Teams phone number in this scenario. So that is their new Teams phone number. They port it over to them, then they deploy the eSIM on the mobile phones and give them that phone number back on that mobile phone, if that makes sense. Another question you might have is, do we buy our data plan from our existing mobile phone provider, or do we buy it from the operator connect provider who's providing this eSIM service on our mobile phones? Good question. You can actually purchase it from either. So the operator connect provider can come in and sell you a mobile data plan, or you can continue to use your existing mobile phone provider for that data plan. But you obviously need a data plan in order to make all of this work on your mobile phones. I hope that was helpful. Again, if you'd like my recommendation on the best operator connect providers to help your medium-sized company find the right operator connect vendor who can offer this type of a service, who can offer like an eSIM on all of your mobile phones, reach out and contact me. Send me an email, give me a call. I'm happy to help you. There's over 100 different operator connect vendors out there, and a lot of them don't offer this. So you got to find the ones that have a good reputation, that have a really good product, that have great service quality, that also offer this and are a great fit for your company's geography, all that stuff. Well, don't worry about Googling all that stuff. Just reach out and contact me. Send me an email, give me a call. I've been doing this for over 20 years. I'm a broker for all the major telecommunications service providers out there for businesses, and I know the landscape really well. So I know which providers you should be quoting, I know which providers you should not be quoting, who has a good reputation, who has a bad reputation, all that good stuff. I'll tell you the 2 or 3 that I recommend. I'll introduce you to the best sales reps at those service providers that you should be working with. I'll set up demos for you to see the solution. I'll also oversee the quoting process and make sure your company gets the best possible pricing that all of my customers get from that service provider that they typically wouldn't offer you if you weren't contacting me. And the nice thing on top of all that, your company doesn't have to pay me anything for my services. My broker services are paid for by the service provider. So not paying me anything, no excuse not to at least reach out to me and see what I have to say. So send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to help you. It's the reason why I do these videos. Again, I will help your company make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. And again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos that I put out. Like the video if it was helpful to you, and leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. All right, have a good day, and I will catch you on the next one.